Good morning, dear students of class 10th. Today we are going to study about sustainable management and water for all under the topic management of natural resources. Last time we have studied about the stakeholders, but now it is time to know about the sustainable management and some very interesting examples of sustainable management. What is sustainable management? First, you should know the management that can be said sustainable if the management is being done on that basis where natural resources are being used up by the human beings in such a way that they can fulfill the need of present day generation without closing the option for future generation. If such kind of management is being done, then we can say that it is a really sustainable management. यानी यदि हम अभी फॉरेस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो फॉरेस्ट इज ए रिसोर्स. If all the products that we get from the forest are being used in a proper way, in eco-friendly manner, so that the forest is not losing any its components and quality, and it would be available for the future generation in the same form, then we can say that it is a sustainable management. We need to consider if the goals of all above stakeholders with regard to the management of forest are same. Forest resources are often made available for industrial use at rates far below the market value, while these are denied to the local people. The Chipko Andolan, Hug the Trees movement. Chipko Andolan, Hug the Trees movement was the result of a grassroots level effort to end the alienation of people from their forest. The movement originated from an incident in a remote village called Reni in Garhwal, high up in the Himalayas, during the early 1970s. There was a dispute between the local villagers and the logging contractor, who had been allowed to fell trees in the forest close to the village. On a particular day, the contractor's workers appeared in the forest to cut the trees, while the men folk were absent. Undeterred, the women of the village reached the forest quickly and clasped the tree trunks, thus preventing the workers from felling the trees. Thus thwarted, the contractor had to withdraw. ये मैनेजमेंट का मतलब सस्टेनेबल मैनेजमेंट का बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है चिपको आंदोलन, चिपको मूवमेंट. अब जो चिपको मूवमेंट हुआ, इसके जो इनिशिएटर थे वो कौन थे? उसके इनिशिएटर थे सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा. तो सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा के लीडरशिप में चिपको आंदोलन चलाया गया, जिसकी मीनिंग थी हग द ट्रीज. यानी पेड़ों से अपने आप को चिपकाना, was the result of grassroots level effort to end of the alienation of people। और ये उस बात का अंत था जब लोग पेड़ पौधों के साथ मनमानी करते थे और काटते थे। और ये मोमेंट ओरिजिनेट हुआ कहाँ से? ओरिजिनेट हुआ रेनी गढ़वाल, रेनी विलेज था वहाँ गढ़वाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, वहाँ से आंदोलन शुरू हुआ 1970 में।